Hello guys! So walking na naman kami dahil nga lumubog na si Aring Araw. So andun yung aking mag-ama guys. Pinaprank ni Mr. si Jazz. Bye! Bye! So ang pag-uusapan natin guys habang kami ay nag-walking. May nagtanong kasi sa comment section guys ng aking isang video yata yun o reels. So tinatanong niya kung kapag ka nakapag-asawa ka na daw ba ng Indian wala ka ng freedom. Ayan. So sasagutin natin yan. So there's a question Gulu. She asking that if you have an Indian husband, freedom is lack of freedom already. They will have a lack of freedom. So what can you say about that?
It's true.
Yeah, I said it's true also though. Explain just a little.
Like, it depends, sometimes it depends on state,
Yes.
many things.
Yes.
State, area, and many
Yes.
things.
So, ayon kay Mr. guys, true, totoo, yes. Ang sagot ko din sa kanya doon is totoo. Is totoo. So, dahil nga guys, dito sa India, di ba, aware naman kayo siguro na uso ang joint family, no? Ayan. So, once joint family kayo guys, limited na talaga ang freedom. Hindi ko nila lahat guys, So, magbabase na lang ako
But you
sa...
have more freedom here than there, right? Because there, you know, you going out just
there I can go whenever I want.
can,
Here
but
I
you used
can.
to, here you going out daily. There you used to go out
No.
only once in 2
No,
weeks.
cause that's my choice. Cause
Your choice.
in City Gulu, once you going out, you can avoid to spend. You know, that's
Oh.
how lifestyle in Manila.
Really?
Yeah. So that's why I used to avoid to go to mall like that. So
Why
sabi ni
here it's not then?
here it's not. I don't know. Cause we don't used to go out also.
We going out
Here
daily.
na, cause there's a sun there.
Everybody going out here daily, and we going out daily also.
Daily means like going to somewhere like that.
We going somewhere also.
Yes. So
Like
yun nga
somewhere
guys,
means
no?
to eat.
Eat, go to mall, like that.
Like shopping.
Shopping.
We go shopping also, but that's
Just
like not like that.
Like in a mall, not in a mall, guys. Just in a shop like that.
Uy. Yeah.
So guys, it depends. It depends sa pamilya nyo. Ayun, kung joint family kayo, limited talaga ang freedom. Yes, lalo na kung ang asawa nyo lahat ng desisyon niya is dadaan sa kanyang mga magulang. So, in my experience guys, limited ang aming freedom. Ayan. So, depende rin yan sa states or sang city or states kayo nabibilang. Depende rin
sa
yan.
people.
Depende rin yan. Kasi nga guys, dito sa India, hindi siya fully safe. Especially kung foreigner ka. Ayan, kung hindi ka marunong ng lingwahe nila, hindi talaga siya ganun ka-safe. So, hindi ka basta-basta
In
makakalabas
this cow
ng...
will
Hindi ka basta-basta makalabas ng mag-isa. Simpleng kasagutan lang sa tanong na yun. Ayan, so nagbase lang din ako sa aking experience guys as a joint family, lalo na kung may mga kapatid ang asawa mo, ang hirap ng ganun guys. Pero kapag ka nakabukod naman kayo, syempre ikaw ang reyna sa bahay mo, so full ang freedom mo, yun lang nga. Hindi ka basta-basta rin makakalabas mag-isa, lalo kung bago ka lang dito sa India at depende kasi sa states yan guys. So, dito sa states namin guys, masasabi ko pang safe siya. Kasi nakakalabas kami ni Jess, kaming dalawa lang, naglalakad dito sa society, ganyan. Ayan. So, may mga part dito, So,
May
depende
mga-
talaga sa city, no?
may mga cow dung everywhere.
Yes. Dito lang sa society namin, guys, hindi lang maganda kasi malaya ang mga baka nag-roving, nag-iikot-ikot every street. Ayan, so maraming tain ng baka. So yung napansin nyo ba yung hair ko, guys?
Every
Medyo,
street here is cow dung.
yes, medyo kulot siya kasi tririntas ko siya kaninang basa pa. Bagay ko ba ang kulot?
Before
Charot.
it don't used to, only nowadays, so cow is given so much privilege.
Yeah. Say hello, Jess. Ayan si Jess, guys. Hi, say hello, mahal. Hello! Hello! So, parang bagay ko ang kulot, guys, no? Ako na magsasabi na bagay ko. Is it suit to me? curly hair. You didn't even compliment me in my curly hair, you know.
What curly thing?
See, isn't it curly? So, parang ayaw ko magpagupit, guys. Kasi parang ang ganda ng long hair. Parang ayaw ko magpagupit. Pero sabi ko kanina kay Mister,
You're gonna cut your hair. You're gonna
parang
do
gusto
a
ko
vlog while
magpagupit.
cutting.
No, I won't. Because I think curly hair is so to me.
It's not.
See, parang ang ganda ng buhok
You don't
ko,
have
guys.
curly hair. You have curly
Don't you
hair.
see? Wavy, wavy.
What you did?
Ayan. So, yun lamang, guys. Sana nasagot ko yung nagtanong, I-shoutout ko na lang siya.
Show that car. That's old. So old.
Which one?
In front, don't you see?
Yeah. Ayan. So, yun lamang ating vlog for today, guys. Bye. Say bye-bye, Jess. Yes. Stop the vlog. Jess, say bye-bye, titas. Bye. Say bye-bye, mahal. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Flying kiss then. Flying kiss.
Oh.
So, bye, guys. Bye.